Okay guys, what is up? I do not know what the lighting is looking like right now. I'm actually currently in the studio. Duva is playing with her children. But I just want to say, before we start this video, I would like to make more videos like this where it's like vlogs incorporated into an unboxing where I show you guys the stuff that I pick up. I had a lot of fun making this video, editing it. I just definitely put more work into this. So if you guys can please smash the like button down below. It really does help the channel grow. So if you guys take that quick little second out of your day to hit that little thumbs up and then leave a comment down in the comments, it just helps the channel out. So definitely please do that, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. What'd you say, Duva? What should the people do right now?
Smash that motherfucking like button.
Hey, shout out to my dear friend Duva. But anyways, thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys like this video, and let's get started. Yeah. What is up, YouTube? Welcome to Solid. Today we are going to go meet up with a YouTuber. I'm going to the Beverly Center because I think I'm gonna try to go shopping for some Gucci. I don't know why I said Gucci like that. I'm not the biggest fan of Gucci, nor do I really recommend wasting your money on that kind of stuff, but I'm already getting some glasses, so I kind of figured, like, well, why not turn it into a little shopping video and try to make a little bit of that money back? And plus, honestly, the pants that I'm looking at, if they have them, are such a vibe. Anyways, like I said, I am meeting another YouTuber, and that YouTuber is Stop Car. Okay, so anyways, just link with the homie. You guys, what's your YouTube channel?
Subscribe right now.
What's your YouTube channel? Let them know.
My credit card information. You can buy whatever you want. Subscribe to this channel right now.
You heard it from the man himself. He will give you his debit and credit card information if you subscribe, and then also subscribe to his channel. You have to, you know what I'm saying? Both channels. I'm gonna leave his channel link down in the description below. But anyways, both these individuals are making some pretty hilarious videos that I could never make because a lot of you guys don't have a sense of humor, and if I made it, you guys would think that I'm serious. But anyways, we're currently going to Gucci right now because, you know, I'm a basic bitch, so I'm gonna go get some Gucci pants so I can be cool and show you guys how swag I am. So I love you guys.
Swag.
Tell me the real reason.
That is the real.
I'm buying stuff. I'm buying him stuff.
Oh. He just balls out, like he just you know what I'm saying? You guys see the wallet? It's gator skin, baby, gator skin.
I killed the alligator. I sent it to the factory, and they made it for me.
Yeah, this is a custom golf wallet from the gator that he killed, the albino gator. I'll see you guys at the Gucci store when I cash out and waste a bunch of money on shit that I probably shouldn't buy.
Maybe I should listen, not to get attached to you and you, not to get attached to you and you. But baby, I think I love you, but I think I love her too. I don't even know what to say. No way. I just
So I went to the Bro Gucci in Beverly Center earlier, and they did not have the track pant. By the way, that wasn't my quote. That was the gentleman owner. I am not calling the other Gucci bro.
I took no offense.
He said they were broke. He said they were broke. So anyways,
Compared to us.
yeah, he said this is a global Gucci. So anyways, I'm looking for some track pants. They're like the canvas double G track pants.
Yours don't.
Oh! Oh! Can I put this on my story?
Sure.
Your boy just copped some Gucci AirPods. Just kidding, they belong to my man Randy right here. I'm just playing. One of the Supreme boxers, but yeah, your boy needs to get a smaller size. Damn, the water with the tray though. My man Randy helping me out majorly right here. Can we show the people the AirPods on here too? Look at this.
Put it on the tray.
Don't play. My boy Randy does not play with y'all. The Gucci AirPods on the tray. Look at this bag though, Jesus Christ. You know I'm a broke boy, so most of my shit comes in plastic from China and probably created by kids in Bangladesh. But this shit right here is so filthy. Look at this bag. Handcrafted. Honestly, I would have spent $1,000 just for the empty bag. What a steal! And it's got two handles, so it's like
Empty bag.
it's.
Don't mind.
Look at this.
In here.
Look at the safety options. Boom.
Oh.
Yeah, you thought. Too safe, baby. Too safe. Anyways. All right, anyways, so we are going back to the Beverly Center. All right, guys, so this is where it all started today. Beverly Center, the broke Gucci. We went there. They didn't have what we wanted. So, you know, it is what it is. We had to go to the rich Gucci. or global Gucci, as they called it.
Jacob told me that I have to show my nipple at the end of the vlog, so there you go. He just told me it's one of his.
Oh, by the way. No.
Not okay.
Not what I was thinking. I did not tell either of them that they needed to show their nipple. That was completely.
I'm sorry.
Yo. So anyways, we saw Tana for her video, which was so perfect. I don't know. It was just great. But yeah,
Really vibes,
I feel like
vibing.
all the videos came out pretty well today.
Yeah, they all
Yeah.
got good content.
Yeah. What a vibe. What a vibe.
Are you okay? You're like dying.
She's like, every time the camera points at her now, she's just thinking like, I can't show my nipple. I can't show my nipple. I can't show my nipple.
Not again.
Alright guys, so I'm headed to Lux Eyewear right now. I do not know if they have my glasses or not. We will see in a moment. I told the dude yesterday, because they said their deliveries don't come in until 5:30. Like, I'll track the dude down, I don't care. I just need some freaking glasses, some updated spectacles, so I stop getting these damn headaches. But let's see what they got. Alright, so they said that they should have it before 4, which is crucial. Originally they said like 5:30. I guess he called the dude, and he said the dude should be there before 4, which is, if they get them before 4, I will love that store. Bars forever. Anyways, right now I gotta go to Cookies and Kicks and try to convince them to give me a free pair of shoes. Hopefully they do, but we will see. Oh, thank you. I wonder if he just does that to vloggers. That would actually be a really funny social experiment. It's just to go up to vloggers that you just don't know and say what's good. Yo, so random shit. So I passed this guy and I literally said in the vlog, like, yo, I wonder if he's like an actual fan or if he's just fucking with me. And he came up and he gave out some like old school details about me and Paul and some old hats I used to wear. So definitely like an OG fan. I want to like link with him because he knows some people in Prada. So like I want to chop it up with him. I'm gonna get her to DM me since he's like low key off the internet, doesn't have an Instagram.
I know.
But we're gonna work something out where we can incorporate him in the next video so I can fuck with his friends at Prada. But anyways, much love, appreciate you, man.
For sure, bro. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. I appreciate the shit you do, dude.
Yeah. Hey, surrounded the boy Jay Brown, Julius, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, ooh. Anyways, they called me like legit 4 seconds after I left. They were like, yo, like, I'm gonna call you later. We should get the glasses like 3, maybe 4. I left, I like walked down the street and they're like, yo, we got your glasses. Yes, please.
So they come in this nice little bag. If you want to change the case color, let me know.
Oh, I like these.
It's pretty. Oh,
Oh, these are perfect.
That's a prescription
I'm
too?
super blind, so like my shit normally sticks out, but they did a good job of like keeping that. Look at that. Ooh. Alright guys, so we are back and we are currently looking at these delicious little spectacles that I purchased, and we are going to show you the Gucci pants that I paid too much money for and I do not recommend any of you actually go purchase. I'm with my dear friend TJR.
Yeah, you probably don't recognize me without the mascara.
Yeah, TJR here is a great YouTube channel. Just kidding, it's actually Stop Cart. You guys already know who it is. And then of course, Vienna Sky. They both filmed videos on Rodeo as well. You should definitely check those out. We're gonna leave that in there. Anyways, so yeah, today we're gonna show you guys the items that I picked up real quick, and then I will bid you guys farewell. First of all, I got these spectacles. I'm gonna insert some B-roll so you guys can see some close-ups of these glasses. I broke my glasses in New York when I was with Kias, aka Kais, for those of you guys that do not know, and we were taking pictures. My glasses literally broke in half, so for the first couple days I tried like gorilla gluing my glasses. I had them taped up. It was just ridiculous. So I bought some new frames, and honestly I need some new frames anyways because my prescriptions were all outdated. So I paid like right around $589.63, I believe. It's like an estimate, but yeah, so definitely really sick. I love the like gold little hints. The thing with me is I'm super fucking blind. Like I literally like right now I can barely see the camera, and so like my prescription, my right eye is especially strong. It's really hard for me to wear frames like this and not have the lens poke out on either side. However, they did a good job of just blending that right in. I think they called it like a knife edge polycarbonate. Words.
Yeah.
I know that.
And then next up, we got these absolutely delicious Gucci pants. I know you guys probably did not notice the brand because as you guys can see, it's a little subtle, not too branded.
no, I couldn't
very
tell.
tasteful.
Yeah, definitely not, it doesn't scream Gucci, you know? And that's one of the things that we really liked about this pant. We made this purchasing decision together. So anyways, I kind of wanted to make this out of a little video because I was like already buying the frames, and that's why I decided to buy these. I'll probably title this video like what $1,000 can get you at Gucci, especially since that what $100 can get you at Gucci did so fucking well for some reason. I have literally no idea because it really can't get you much of anything besides socks. But yeah, I really like this. I like the 90s style. It looks basically like this was created by Dapper Dan. It's really funny to see Gucci create like bootleg versions of their own shit. They fit super nice. It's like a jacquard fabric. I'm sure this close-up B-roll will give you an idea of what it looks like. Also, it's got the elastic waist, so it feels like some sweatpants. Yeah, I'm digging it. What do you guys think?
Yeah, they're nice. I haven't been able to touch them yet because I'm not allowed to.
Don't even think about it.
But they look very nice, you know.
But yeah, they're definitely a vibe for sure. We're gonna go back to Gucci and I'm gonna wear these right now so that way they don't treat me like a peasant. No, but in all seriousness, I definitely do like these pants. I don't really know what else to say. Huge shout out to these guys. We've been like just kicking it and creating awesome content, so definitely check their shit out. I'll leave their channels linked down in the description below. Shout out to my fake Gucci ring, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, smash that motherfucking like button. Go check out my Instagram at the Starlife, THESTARRLIFE, the most fire Instagram in the game, and yeah, keep living the star life. Peace the fuck out.
I seem so tired.